India has termed Nepal's claim over disputed territories of Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Lipulekh as artificial enlargement. The tri-junction is unresolved between India and Nepal as both continue to claim that they are part of their territory.
As Nepal maintained its claim on disputed areas of Kalapani, Limpiadhura and Limpulekh as part of its territory with a revised map on Wednesday, India termed it as artificial enlargement. India's Foreign Ministry in a statement said Nepal's revised map includes parts of Indian territory and that this unilateral act is not based on historical facts and evidence. It urged Kathmandu to respect India's sovereignty and territorial integrity. This came as Nepal's Minister of Land Reforms and Management during a televised press conference on Wednesday said the revised map has been issued on the basis of evidences which proves land belongs to Nepal. Earlier on Tuesday, Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli applauded his cabinet for raising the issue and said diplomatic efforts will be made to bring back the territories. The tri-junction is unresolved between India and Nepal and both claim that they are part of their territory. Tensions between the two neighbours rose early this month when Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated an around 50 miles long high-altitude road from Dharchula to the disputed Lipulekh Pass.